Shorten up your reins so you can feel his mouth. There we go. Alright. Now you gotta ride back to it. He's never done this before.
They didn't teach me this in pony camp.
Right up. Just lift it up and set it down and then pet him. Shorten up your reins. Outside leg, move him up to it. Rub. Good, do it again. And he's taller. Good, pet him. That was good. And then just ride off.